In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert a MOV video file into an MP4 using VLC Media Player. This is a simple, free, and reliable method that works on both Windows and Mac OS, and you don't need to install any extra software or pay for an online converter. MP4 is one of the most widely supported video formats, so this is perfect if your MOV file won't upload, won't play on certain devices, or needs to be shared more easily. We'll go step by step so you can follow along even if you've never used VLC for conversions before. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. If you don't already have VLC installed, you can download it for free from videoland.org. Once VLC is open, make sure you're on the main interface where you can see the top menu options like Media, Playback, Audio, Video, and Tools. Next, look at the top left corner and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, select Convert/Save. This will open the Open Media window, which is where VLC allows you to add files for conversion or streaming. Now, in this window, click the Add button. Browse through your computer and select the MOV file that you want to convert to MP4. Once you've selected your file, click Open, and you should now see the file listed in the Open Media window. After confirming that the correct file is added, look toward the bottom of the window and click the Convert/Save button. This will open the Convert window, where you'll choose your output format and destination. In the Convert window, find the Profile drop-down menu. This is where you tell VLC what format you want your final video to be in. From the list, select video/H.264 plus MP3 and MP4. This is a widely compatible MP4 profile that works on most devices, platforms, and video editors. Next, move down to the Destination section. Click the Browse button to choose where you want to save the converted file. Select a folder on your computer, then type in a file name. Make sure the file name ends with .mp4. This part is very important because if you leave the extension as MOV, VLC may not save the file correctly. Once you've chosen the folder and confirm the file name, click Save. Now you're ready to start the conversion. Double-check that the profile is set to MP4 and that the destination file path looks correct. When everything looks good, click the Start button. VLC will begin converting your MOV file to MP4. You'll see the progress bar move as the conversion takes place. Depending on the size and length of your video, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Once the process finishes, VLC won't show a pop-up message, so navigate to the folder you selected earlier and check for your new MP4 file. Open it to make sure the video and audio play correctly. And that's it. You've successfully converted an MOV file to MP4 using VLC Media Player, completely for free. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.